For this delicious recipe, you'll need 3 courgettes, 6 carrots, 1 cup of sweet corn, 1 cup of cooked peas, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 6 eggs, and you can use 3 whole eggs and 3 whites if you want to cut down the fat even further, half a cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 pieces of broccoli, a little bit of paprika and salt and pepper. Take the courgettes, I usually peel mine and grate them. Put them in a tea towel or a colander and squeeze off the excess moisture and put aside. Grate the carrots into a bowl. Add in diced onion, you can saute it first if you wish. Add in the peas, the sweet corn and the garlic crushed. Season with salt and pepper. You can add in paprika at this point if you want to. Add in the flour and half a teaspoon of baking powder. And then add in the grated courgette. Add in the eggs and mix all together. You can then spoon the mixture into individual portions and freeze until needed. Defrost the mixture and add into a hot frying pan that's already got a tablespoon of oil in it. Shape into a disc and allow it to form a crust on one side before flipping it over. Serve hot with a poached egg.